Hey guys, it's me Narelle here. This is going to be a really quick intro. So this video is going to be a compilation of two unboxings that I got from friends. So I figured instead of me uploading them as separate videos, it's a lot easier to just compile them. So you get two doses of me fangirling over art that I shouldn't have bought or gotten because I know what it does to me and my health. So I'm going to do this with a couple other unboxings. So after this will be like a more anime manga merch related unboxing video. And if I have other unboxings, again, I will just compile them into one video. So if you guys like videos like this, give me a like on this one so I know just to compile different unboxings together to make it more fun for you guys since you like me fangirling legit all day. So yeah, let's continue to the video. Alrighty guys, I just received a package from Tiirameowsu, Tiirameowsu, but it's spelled a little bit different. I'm sorry for butchering her name, but I'll put it on the screen because she's such a lovely being. She announced her shop launch about 2 weeks ago, and I bought lots of goodies, so I'm just gonna unbox them on camera. I have it on the back because I'm just too lazy to censor addresses. It's just too much work, so I'm just gonna keep it flipped to the back. But on the back of it is a cute cat stamp. Look at that. That is so cute. I've been actually in the mood of making my own personalized stamp. So if I can learn how to do that, I will try. But I think washi tape is the thing that's working for me. So yee. I'm trying to open it. Boop. And I have white gel pen on my hand because I just finished doing a drawing. So yeah, that's what that is. I'm trying to see if there's a note here. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna flip it over. Let's see. Nope, there's no note. So I'm gonna put the stuffs up here. Oh my goodness, this is actually really cute. I really like it. And it's like a Japanesey washi tape. Look how cute that is. I'm like excited. I really am. I'm trying to open this. On her channel not too long ago, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this girl can draw. She can draw. And then as soon as I followed her on Instagram, she's just the sweetest being. I'm just, I can't. I cannot get over how sweet she is. So I'm like, of course, I have to support because she's adorable. Okay, so, alrighty. Look at that business. It's not a business card, but I think it's more like a thank you card. It's so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. Like, I'm gonna have to put this in my print binder because I have separate binders. One for friends' artworks and the other one for actual just prints. So I'm gonna put that in here because this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. And it says thank you. And these are her links. So it's Tiirameowsu. Tiirameowsu. So go follow her right here. And of course, I will put this in my print binder for me to look at and just gag at because it's so cute. So here are the goodies in which I have bought. So move the wrapping paper over to the side. And I just kind of went and kind of bought a little bit too much, but I had to be like, yo, I got to get all the stuff before it gets sold out. And I think a couple of her items were sold out, I think, by the time I got there. But I might be wrong. But I just couldn't help myself to buy a lot of stuff. All right, so I'm going to pull it out softly as I can. Come on, Naruto. This is why I should have nails. Because my fingernails. I'm just going to start with the stickers. Because the print is taking its sweet time to come out. So I'm going to start with the stickers that I got. Okay. I'm going to take them all out. Oh my gosh. I don't want to bend the print. Okay. So I'm going to save the print for last. So I'm going to start with the stickers. And I learned how to zoom in with my phone. You know how cool that is? Alright, can you see that? That is like the coolest thing ever. I'm like, okay. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. I don't know why. I'm like having the most funnest time learning how to do things with my phone now. But anyways, so the stickers I got, here is a Sasuke sticker that I got. It's kind of based off the moon, so that's why you see a lot of the moon and the stars. And she draws Sasuke so cute. I can never draw him to save my life, so I just kind of given up on Sasuke entirely. But the other Naruto characters I'm kind of good with. Sasuke is just one of those characters that I've given up on. So yeah, this is so cute, and it's on glossy sticker paper. So I'm like, even though I'm not a fan, it's not that I'm not a fan of this game, but I'm not really big into Final Fantasy. Like the series, I haven't gotten adjusted with, but Noctis and Prompto, that's his name, Pronto. They're cute. They're a cute duo. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just get it because they're cute, and I love how she drew this. It's so cute. They're taking a selfie, and it's precious. Okay, it's just precious. All right, and of course, I had to get me a Fruits Basket sticker because the new Fruits Basket has me like crying, and I'm like, I must get all Fruits Basket merch. While I can't, and it's so cute. And the title of this sticker is "Let's Stay Together" or "Let's Be Together," and it kind of reminds me of the ending song of the original Fruits Basket. And the singer says, "Let's be together always." That's what I thought of. And last but not least, in the sticker department is Naruto. Isn't this cute? It's so adorable. So it's like a set. If I can get these Sasuke one. Sasuke, where are you? So it's more like a sticker set. So, yeah. And the last thing, which is a print, and I'm like, yes, I must get this print. Let me get it out the bag. Yeah. I have to get this out the bag. If I cannot get it out the bag the normal way, I'm going to have to rip this bag. Okay. I got it. So, look at how cute this is. It's a Naruto and Hinata friend. Isn't it so cute? It's adorable. They're like lounging at home. The kids are out doing their ninja thing, and they're just like, yes, let's just have some us time. But her style is so freaking cute, and I love seeing her art videos and seeing how she does her artwork. And her just style is like everything. It's so cute, and I love the sketchy feel to it. And it's just like, I don't know, like how people make their styles surprises me, because everything about this is like awesome. I really like it. So that is all in which I have bought from her. So I want to zoom my camera out. There we go. I zoomed it out a little bit. So yeah, I zoomed it out so you can see the little print and the stickers. So everybody go check her out. Go buy lots of stuff from her because she is a sweet bean, and all of her merch are just I live for it. Hey guys, it's Narelle here, and welcome back to a new back is actually a really cute note that says, "Please do not bend. Thank you." And it has a bear with a fish. Shit, I thought that was really cute. And yes, luckily they did tell me ahead of time that they were sending me this. So I'm like, I'm not as scared, but I am scared because I don't know the contents of this. So it's going to be a surprise for you and me both. And yeah, so I'm going to open it up. If it's going to be difficult, I might just open it off camera and just come back when it's open, because I'm using my X-Acto knife and I hate using this thing with a passion. I caught that on time. My phone stopped recording. My phone is running out of space a lot lately. But yes, because I would have opened up the whole thing if I did not catch where my phone stopped. So yeah, I think I said I was going to start with the stickers. So the first one is, if my hand will be slippery enough. All right, so I know 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Oh my gosh, this is Gigi. Isn't this Gigi from Kiki's Delivery Service? I have not seen Kiki's Delivery Service in ages, so I'm pretty sure this is Gigi, but if it's not Gigi, I think it's a random cat. Oh, this is so cute. It's adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm going to stick him or her right here. And the next one is, ew, I can't get it up because my hands suck. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. And it's another Gigi. I have 2 copies of Gigi. Ah, this is so cute. So I am allowed to use one of them. You know, since I got multiple copies, I can use one and not use the other. I think that's just how it's going to go from here. All right. And here's the next ones. And 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, it's Calcifer. Oh my gosh. Look at the Calcifer. Ah, my phone would focus. This is so stankin' cute. I've never had Studio Ghibli stickers before. So, you know, this is giving me all that nostalgia because I haven't seen Howl's Moving Castle in a long time either. So yeah. This is so cute. Alright. And I have 2 more stickers. So the next one is, and go. Oh my gosh! This is their character! Look at him! He is very, very handsome. I believe I said it on their post on Instagram, how handsome this boyo is, and I'm like living. So let's just say he is not going to be used. I'm just going to look at him from afar, look at him heavily from afar, because you know, you can't ruin the precious boyos on your sketchbooks because they're going to get dirty. I have to keep him in precious condition, you know, okay. And the next one is, I got 2, so I can use one of him. Oh, this is too much for me, mans. This is too much for me. They claimed, I'm just going to send you a letter. This is more than a letter, okay? All right. So we're going to continue on with my lovely death that this package is causing me. All right. And I'm going to open up the rest. I'm going to make sure there's not a note in here. So, yeah, there is a note, so I'm going to open it up, and a 1, 2, 3, and a go. I got to make sure, I can read it on camera. Maybe I'll read it off camera. I don't know. Should I read it on camera? I don't know. Maybe I'll read it off camera, because that's what I did last time, so I'm going to take it as a personal note. So, hold on just 1 second. Oh my gosh, that was like the sweetest letter. I'm just like, oh, it's so sweet. Ah, and you're welcome, because I sent them my original drawing of Kageyama that I did in one of my live streams, and they're just the sweetest. So thank you. I'm sending lots of hearts your way, and I love the letter, and I'm gonna keep it. You know, I keep all of my friends' letters, but oh my gosh, that was like the sweetest letter I've ever read. So I'm gonna pull the letter out, so you know, I can keep it hidden and all personal for my usage. That doesn't sound right. But this is the thing that's under the letter. So, we're going to open it. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. And it's all pencil, so I'm going to have to try not to put my hand on it. And it has gel pen. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm going to have to not put my hands on them because they're pencils. So we're going to go close together. So her name is Hibiki, and she is Ten's twin sister, which I did not know he had a twin sister. This is good things to my ears, so that is so neat to know. So there's another boyo right here. And there is the lovely boyo 10. Shush, this is not a bad doodle. Shush, this is actually very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then we're moving down. So right here is LOL. The hair, LOL drew the hair on the wrong side on the chibi. Ah! So I drew his earring on the wrong side too. Ah! That is so cute. I love your drawing style. It's so cute. And here is the main doodle. All right. So Ray, Ten's son, used the blue-haired boyo you gave me for his design. I thought you would like to know that. He is so gorgeous. He is so pretty. I'm glad you added the glittery stars because he is so fabulous that he deserves all them glittery stars. Ah! And oops, still new to drawing him. He is so pretty. And it says, I hope you like these doodles of my characters. This is actually super, 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 super cute. I love how you just gave me a character sheet. This is actually really, really cute. I'm trying not to put my hands on it because it's pencil and I don't want to ruin the graphite. But oh my gosh, you didn't have to do this. You give me cute stickers and a whole sheet of all your babies. Ah, this is so cute. Ah, I love this. I love this. This really made my day because I was not expecting this to come this fast. But oh my gosh, thank you so much, is BlueGreenFisheys. I love you so much, and I'm like really happy that me and you have become friendos. I'm not even kidding, guys. Like, me and them, we talk legit every day, and we have like pages upon pages of conversations, and I love it because normally I'm like scared if I send people like long messages, but we just go on, hunty. We just chat and chat and chat and chat that our whole DM side of Instagram could be like 3 stories by now. But I enjoy it because I really enjoy them, and I really love that they became one of my friends, and I love them a lot. So yes, so I'm totally scared if this was the small part of my birthday package because me and them actually decided to send each other packages for our birthdays. So I will try to be nice to you this year because this is your first package that you're getting from little old me. So I'm going to be nice to you. But you know, since you sent something extra in advance, you better prepare yourself. So give them lots of love on Instagram. I will include their Instagrams down below. So go click on them and give them loves. And I just love them all the time, and they know that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a like if you liked it, and you know, I will see you in the next video. Bye.